30 to 40, you would have seen 30 to 40 policemen surrounded me. They didn't allow me to move, neither to get the signature, not to move. So in the hot sun, 3 hours, without drinking water, without going to the shade, I was standing there.
The Tamil Nadu BJP has launched a public signature campaign titled Samakalvi Engal Urimai, means equal education is our right, in support of the National Education Policy 2020 and its three-language formula. Former Telangana and Puducherry governor and BJP leader Tamilisai Soundarajan was detained in Chennai on Thursday while participating in the campaign allegedly organized without official permission.
Actually, I went there by 10 o'clock. 1 o'clock only I was allowed. They didn't allow me to get the signature. They were telling, you cannot do that. I told it's neither a procession nor an agitation. It's a peaceful signature. And why are you preventing me meeting the people? So they almost 30 to 40, you would have seen 30 to 40 policemen surrounded me. They didn't allow me to move, neither to get the signature, not to move. So in the hot sun, 3 hours, without drinking water, without going to the shade, I was standing there. And then after that, they were forced to oblige because 3 hours. After when they allowed only, I got the signature, then only I left the venue. Because they told you cannot get the signature. Then I told, why are you preventing me from meeting the people? No, you didn't have any permission. To meet people and to get a signature, why permission is needed? In spite of that, we have asked for permission. But they are afraid of this signature campaign. I have to appreciate the people of Tamil Nadu. In spite of police surrounded, in spite of that, they were standing there, and immediately when they allowed, they came forward and they gave the signature.
Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai condemned the detention, calling it an act of suppression by the ruling DMK government. In a post on X, he accused Chief Minister M.K. Stalin of stifling democratic protests out of fear and alleged that the DMK has historically commercialized Tamil while allowing the three-language policy in private schools. He vowed that BJP's outreach efforts would continue despite police action, questioning, and I quote, "How many people can you arrest illegally, Chief Minister?" End quote. The BJP claims that over 1 lakh people across Tamil Nadu have supported their online signature campaign through pudiyakalvi.in. Despite the crackdown, BJP leaders have launched a door-to-door campaign across districts aiming to gather support for NEP 2020, which they argue offers better educational opportunities for underprivileged students. The ruling DMK has strongly opposed the NEP's three-language formula, citing concerns over alleged Hindi imposition. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin responded by stating that demanding linguistic equality should not be mistaken for chauvinism. In a direct attack on the center, he criticized the naming of India's new criminal laws in a language that, according to him, Tamils cannot pronounce or comprehend. Annamalai hit back, alleging that matriculation schools run by DMK leaders do not even make Tamil a compulsory subject. He also accused the DMK of inconsistency, recalling that Tamil Nadu's education minister previously acknowledged Tamil Nadu was already implementing aspects of the NEP. As political tensions rise over the NEP 2020, the battle over language policy in Tamil Nadu intensifies. While the BJP pushes forward with its campaign, the DMK remains firm in its opposition. Stay tuned for more updates.